Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine, and today we are going to make peanut butter at home. But before the recipe starts, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this video, share and comment. So today we are going to make a really healthy peanut butter which will suppress your hunger due to its high amounts of protein, healthy natural oils, and it also contains heart healthy monounsaturated good fats. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I am going to take 1 cup of roasted sieved peanuts. So I have transferred the peanuts in the mixing bowl, and then I'm gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt in this and cover it and grind it for 1 minute. So now I'm gonna remove it. So now as you can see, the peanuts have started releasing the oil. So I'm gonna take a spoon and mix it. Remove the peanuts from the sides. Cover it again and grind it again. So now as you can see that our peanut butter has started to release oil and it has started to become in creamy consistency. So now we are gonna grind it for 30 seconds more and then I'm gonna remove it. Our tasty peanut butter is ready, and you can see that it has released the oil in it, and you don't have to add any preservative oils or any other extra oils because the peanut releases its own oils and becomes peanut butter. So now I'm gonna transfer it into this bowl and then I'm gonna show it to you. And that's it, our fresh homemade peanut butter is ready. So you can transfer it into a jar and store it for 1 to 2 months and eat it by applying it on bread as breakfast. You can also add sugar in it if you want, but I didn't add sugar in it to keep it healthy. So now I'm gonna taste it. It tastes really good and it's really healthy for you. It's a really good weight loss snack. So this was the quick and easy way of making fresh organic homemade peanut butter. So if you like this video, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this video, share and comment. I'll meet you in one other video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.